The complete works of Swami Vivekananda, lecture delivered by Swami Vivekananda in Pamban in 1897, Part 2. We Hindus have now been placed under God's providence in a very critical and responsible position. The nations of the West are coming to us for spiritual help. A great moral obligation rests on the sons of India to fully equip themselves for the work of enlightening the world on the problems of human existence. One thing we may note, that whereas you will find that good and great men of other countries take pride in tracing back their descent to some robber baron who lived in a mountain fortress and emerged from time to time to plunder passing wayfarers, we Hindus, on the other hand, take pride in being the descendants of the rishis and the sages who lived on the roots and fruits in mountain caves, meditating on the Supreme. We may be degraded and degenerated now, but however degraded and degenerated we may be, we can become great if only we begin to work in right earnest on behalf of our religion. Accept my hearty thanks for the kind and cordial reception you have given to me. It is impossible for me to express my gratitude to His Holiness the Raja of Ramanad for his love towards me. If any good work has been done by me and through me, India owes much to this good man, for it was he who conceived the idea of my going to Chicago, and it was he who put me that idea into my head and persistently urged me to accomplish it. Standing beside me, he, with all his old enthusiasm, is still expecting me to do more and more work. I wish there were half a dozen more such Rajas to take interest in our dear motherland and work for her amelioration in the spiritual line.